Before going to see how vocal variety matters in public speaking, we have to unlearn something. What exactly do you have to unlearn? It is the filler word. What are filler words? Let me give you an example. You have to compare this, okay? Whatever I'm going to say is most important thing, and when you listen to all these things and remember all these things in your mind, then this is probably something that is going to help you for rest of your life. Now compare to this. Whatever I'm going to say is the most important thing, and if you remember, then this is something that can change rest of your life. Which one do you think is most beautiful? Obviously the second one. Why? Because in the second one there were no filler words. In the first one I have used all those things a lot. Why people generally use all these things? Because of the silence. Sometimes we do not get words in our mind. Sometimes we are thinking something in our mind. In those cases, people generally take a small break. And in that small break, people feel like, no, I cannot be discontinued. So I have to stay continuous mode. And that is why they speak and all those things. Those things create unnecessary disturbance when you are speaking something. Silence is the most beautiful thing in public speaking. It comes under vocal variety. There are lots of things as well, but silence is something that is the most important. Why? Number one reason is suspense. Exactly what I did right now. I have given 1 or 2 seconds of distance so that you will feel, okay, what is the first reason? And that is what the suspense is. When you give a small break in between your sentences, it creates suspense. You can use every single time whenever you are putting some oo sounds or filler words. Instead of them, you can use silence every single time. But majorly, when you have to give a punchline, when you are supposed to say something, in that place, if you take little more gap, then this can create suspense. Now, second thing is, if you are on a stage, there are lots of live audience watching you, and you are going to give a small pause after a punchline, it will create applause. Everyone will be like, whoa, that's amazing. They will go applaud you. They will appreciate you. Apart from that, people often speak in a one particular pace or pitch. That is what we call as monotony. Now, when someone speak in a particular pace or pitch, let me give you an example. What I am going to say is the most important thing, and if you listen to this, then this is something that is going to change the rest of your life. How long can you listen to me speaking like this? If I'll be speaking in a monotony voice, then it will sound like a new channel is 1947. So it is more important that whenever you are speaking, have sometimes higher pitch, sometimes lower pitch, and sometimes whispering as well. Because when we whisper, it actually creates a sense that we are saying something secret. And that is why whispering something is also important. And giving a gap is also important, because it also create your attention. It also help your audience give you undividable attention, because they believe that something is going to come next. So it is important that you raise your voice, you lower down sometimes, and sometimes whisper, because this is somehow you're going to engage your audience. So make sure you use your vocal variety in an effective manner. It's not that you just speak in a monotony voice. Make sure you use this properly and wisely. This is something that can help you to engage your audience effective manner. In the last video, we talked about the content part, which is the least important, but however it is important. But before that, here is a bonus for you. If you have watched this series till here, then I'm going to give away to you my own written book, that is 21 speaking techniques, and that book is going to help you to enhance your speaking skills. 21 techniques. I have actually given more than 21 techniques, and in that book you will find a lot of beautiful techniques that you can use in front of camera or in front of stage, and those things that is going to help you to present yourself better or make your audience fall in love with you. So go out there, check in the description that book you will find over there, and download that, read it out. Trust me, this is something that is going to help you the most. Cheers.